uncover the secrets etched in the earth. The Nazca Lines are scattered across a vast, desolate plain known as the Pampa Colorada. This expansive area stretches over 50 miles, creating a canvas of mystery and intrigue that has fascinated researchers and visitors alike for decades. This region, located in southern Peru, is one of the driest places on Earth. With less than an inch of rainfall annually, the arid conditions have played a crucial role in preserving these ancient geoglyphs. The lines themselves are relatively simple in their creation. They were crafted by the ancient Nazca culture, who ingeniously utilized the natural landscape to etch out these massive designs. They were made by removing the reddish-brown iron oxide pebbles that cover the desert surface, revealing the lighter-colored sand underneath. This method not only created a stark contrast, but also ensured the lines' visibility from above. Despite their age, estimated to be between 2,000 and 2,500 years old, the lines have remained remarkably well preserved. This preservation is a testament to the ingenuity of the Nazca people and the unique environmental conditions of the region. This is largely due to the region's unique climate, low rainfall, minimal wind erosion, and a stable geological base. These factors have combined to create an environment where the lines have remained virtually untouched for millennia. The Nazca Lines remained hidden from the world for centuries, camouflaged by the vastness of the desert. Their true scale and complexity were unknown to the outside world until the advent of modern aviation. It wasn't until the early 20th century, when commercial airlines began flying over the region, that these enigmatic figures were rediscovered. Pilots and passengers alike were astonished by the sight of these massive designs etched into the desert floor. From the air, the scale and complexity of the Nazca Lines became strikingly clear, sparking a wave of curiosity and intrigue that continues to this day. Researchers, archaeologists, and tourists from around the world are drawn to this remote desert, eager to uncover the secrets of the Nazca Lines and understand the people who created them.